Hey guys, what's up? I'm doing a quick video on Kids Day on Saturday a couple weeks ago. I shot this duck. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. And yeah, we're just gonna move it outside real quick. Gonna open up the door. My bike right there. I'm gonna do a review on that soon. I'm gonna lay this down here. So yeah, there's that. The wing. It's a blue wing teal. Shot it with a 20 gauge. And it's just on a Shasta case because we couldn't mount the duck because it's too beat up. And I ate it the day too I shot it. See the green in there? Okay. Well, that's the video, guys, and I'm coming out with like about 3 other videos that are pretty quick, so thanks for watching, guys, and see you later.